In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize, edit, and delete files in HubSpot. First, log into your HubSpot account. Then go to the left sidebar navigation menu, hover over this three dots icon, go to Content, and click on Files. To create a new folder, click the plus create or upload button on the left panel and select Create Folder. Give your folder a name and click Create. To organize your file into a folder, click the three dots icon next to the file name, select Move, choose your target folder, and click Move. To edit file details and access, you can find the file that you want to edit, click its three dots button, click View Details, and then you can rename the file or replace it with a new version. Next, if you want to manage access or copy file URL, you can go to the three dots icon again and choose them from these options. Lastly, to delete an item, just click the three dots icon and click Move to Trash. Click this red button and the file will be moved to the trash folder. So that's how to organize, edit, and delete files in HubSpot. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.